Hey, what's up? It's Matt for 360 Investigations, and this is an abandoned church. Not much to see here, so this is a quick stop. And normally I would go down the basement, because everybody knows I have a hard on for basements, but it's really dark down there and I don't feel like going to get my light. There it is. And that's basically it. The only real thing is this, I guess, the stained glass up there. Take a look. It's kind of cool if you rotate the camera that way. This is my buddy I'm with. Sorry. I guess apparently his nickname is Slapnuts. I guess I'm not normal, I guess. I don't have a weird name. So anyway, this is it. This is the whole interior of this. This is one of the main stops, so. All right, that's it. Until next stop, at 360 Investigation signing out. Have a good one.